So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today I'm going to share another course about this Python Flask framework complete course for beginners. So in this course you can learn about basics of Python, and you can learn about use variables to store relative and calculate information, and Python basics concept and to advanced concept. So this course created by Horizon Tech, and this course has overall 4.2 rating. And after you completing this course, you can get a certificate of completion by Udemy. So let's see guys how to get this course for free of charge. So guys, let's see how to get this course. So remember guys, this course is only this coupon is only valid for first 1000 students who are enrolled in using this coupon. So after that limit, this coupon get expired. Therefore make sure to enroll with these kind of courses immediately, because so many students are trying to use these coupons. And you can copy the link that I provided in the comment section, or you can copy the code. This is the code that I will mention in description, but I am recommending to copy the code and paste. And you need to log to your Udemy account. Then now you can see I am logged to my Udemy account. Then open a new tab, then paste that link. Now you can see guys, the coupon is automatically added to my course. So you can hit the enroll now button. So now you can see my total is $0. So I can click enroll now button. Now you can see guys, I can access to this course content. So that's the method guys, how to use these coupons and get these courses free of charge. So hope you guys enjoy. Please make sure to subscribe and share to your friends who might be helpful with these kind of videos. So make sure to keep in touch with the latest videos, because I'm updating plenty of these kind of free coupons in future. And if you miss this chance, don't worry, I will with another video with another coupons. So thank you guys.